Joyce was our pillar. She was the firstborn. And I experienced a lot of time with her, especially in hospital.
Amweli wa uri urari mubuga wa Kibra Kenoko agusinwa kiroko gya tene mwena wa Karioko ukuna kiro urari governor wa Bomet Joyce Laboso akihurukia mwena wa Fort Tenan county ya Githumo. Athi kurara frafra kurumirira muthianiro munene wa gari drasa-ini ya Gilgil frafra-ini nene ya Nairobi guthie Naikuru.
Gutire besha ikoretwo igitumo mathukuru in the last 1 year.
Kiama kia cavithia mavuku kaunti-ini ya Naikuru kuria EACC ethuthurie ruhonge rwa uguri ministry-ini ya githomo makiuga kuri na uhuthiri moru wa besha. Na nyitanire na mwandiki witu Kimutho wa Nyawira gitutariria ciĩgiĩ uthondeki wa divei kumana na mumera wa cactus kaunti-ini ya Laikipia.